Hey guys, oh yeah, make una follow me make this rice and beans where go Harvard. First of all, I just fry my egg with butter, black pepper, give under sun and moon vibes and small herbs. Next, I go toast my rice, add seasoning powder, join them, and some mixed herbs. Next thing na to pour my groundnut oil for fire, add onion, I go add in tomato, I go turn am. Once I turn am finish, I go add my tomato mix. Once I put my tomato mix, I go cover am make e dry small. As e dry, I go add seasoning powder, I go turn am. I go add crayfish, I go turn am. I go add bonga fish join am too. Next, I go put salt, I go come put ram meat. I don fry the meat already. Next, I go pour down my rice so I don do first. I'll come pour beans join am, turn am well. As I don turn am finish, I go come add water, cover am with foil paper, make e cook. Just give am small time. Once this food done, your life go change once you try this food. E sweet die. Oh yeah, now here I come put the egg. See the egg? This food sweet die.